It's you again during lockdown. Financial problems again. Yeah. And then again you're blowing accounts. What's your mentor saying about this? He's not doing anything. And you are left with $10. Man. Didn't you heard about downloading dollars? Oh, okay. Oh, he said he wants to test it first. Are you making money, man? Or it's a long story? Okay. And when are you downloading dollars? You don't know. And poverty is there staring at you. This is sad, man. Hey, I need to do something.
Yeah, I'm starting. Jayan.
Hey, it's too much, most.
Aye.
Hey,
Do
what you gotta do. I don't know what's happening.
You can. They can't fuck with you, man.
They can't. It's impossible.
No.
Hey,
It's not right.
Now it's splitting.
No, man. It's too much. It's too much.
Corona.
This is why we do it, man. This is all part of the game. This is why you hustle. This is the Forex market. Gotta push the hustle, you gotta push it, man.
Oh yeah, this is Luana's Forex trader. Even if I can spend 5,000 rand every day, but I cannot afford to finish all my balance. So guys, let's just trade Forex. Forex is the way to go. I'm encouraging everyone around South Africa to trade Forex and make sure you focus on Forex, and the success is guaranteed on the Forex market. Guys, let's just trade Forex. If you can see this, I'm living the lifestyle that I wanted before. Look at this, guys. Let's just make it.
Yeah, look at Rex. I'm so genuine to Instagram. I'm so genuine to Instagram. Hey, come wait.
Sure, boss. I thought you got the connection to the plug and play. Are you plug and playing? Yeah, at least. Because for now, you could have been in a different situation. At least you didn't get it for 500, man. You got the registered version. I will talk, man. I still need to eat.